another video, or welcome if you're new here. I'm sure you can hear my voice echoing, and that is because I am in our new apartment. I am so stoked. I've been looking forward to this day for a while. We actually got to pick up the keys a day early, so I ran over here to grab them, so we will be ready for our big move tomorrow. But I couldn't do this without giving you guys a tour of the truly empty space. I love watching empty apartment tours. It's just fun to see kind of the space that you're given and then what you do with it. So I'm really stoked to share this with you guys, and I want to get right into it. So here is the front door, kind of like entryway area, nothing too crazy exciting. And then over here to the left is the bathroom. I'll get to that in a minute. Then we have a nice sized coat closet. This will be great for, of course, our winter coats, but also just extra storage, the Christmas tree, all that good stuff. And then you come into the full-on living space. This is both the kitchen and the living room. I love how open this is. There's this really nice kind of granite countertop, and actually we ended up with this really nice backsplash, which I'm feeling. Apparently not a lot of apartments in this building have a backsplash, so I really like it. It's not necessarily the colors I would choose if I personally designed a kitchen, but like, come on, we're in an apartment and this looks pretty good. So one of the things I fell in love with, and you guys will know this about me if you watched our apartment touring video, is that this kitchen has so much storage. I'm shook, guys. So there's of course the cabinets here above the stove. Then there's a bunch of storage down here with the dishwasher and everything. And then over to this side, we have even more storage and tons of drawers. So it's definitely kind of, I don't know if it's smaller than our current kitchen. It just feels a little more, I don't know, tighter, I guess. But because it's so open with this almost like island-like area over here, or I guess more of a bar area, this will be so great to have people over, get a couple bar stools and just hang out in here, and we can be cooking and chatting with people, and it's gonna be really nice. So super excited. Also, I thought it was cute. Our building gave us all these little things over here. So that's what's on the counter. I didn't just throw random stuff here, but they like gave us little coffee mugs and snacks and stuff, which was just fun. So that's the kitchen. And then this is the living room. It is definitely a great size. I absolutely love this flooring. I'm not sure if it's actual wood floor or like a vinyl, but either way, it's a really pretty color, and I'm sure that we will, you know, just do really well in this space. Definitely has a good vibe in here. And there's also a huge window which faces out to all of the other balconies in this building. It's kind of funny because even just standing in this window looking out, I can see all the people just like hanging out, like reading or whatever on their balconies. So might not always keep this open because I feel like they can probably see right into this apartment, but still it's nice to have so much natural light. And then right here is our balcony. It's definitely a good size. I actually haven't even been out here yet, but I will do that for you guys. Definitely a nice size, and I'm stoked to get some patio furniture out here and we can just hang out and enjoy the space. This is a pretty large apartment building, and then we have a nice view in the distance, so huge fan. Coming back in from the balcony, we'll go ahead and head into the bedroom. So this closet here is just like HVAC, so unfortunately not more storage, but that's fine. So here's the bedroom. It has carpet in here, so now I won't echo as violently as I will in the rest of the apartment. Definitely excited to get furniture in so it's not so echoey. But here is our room. I think it's a good size, and I'm excited for the space. This closet in particular is like really great. This is the one that I didn't open before I started filming this video. But like, wow. Let me just open these doors so we can take it all in. So, I mean, right now we have a walk-in closet, so I will miss having that, but this is a pretty good size. Like, I'm sure, you know, like Ken could take the bottom shelf, or I could, and like, we'll have plenty of space for all our clothes and like extra bins of stuff, and it'll be great. So definitely excited for this closet. And then we have a sliding glass door out to the balcony in the room, which is nice. We can kind of sneak out there in the morning with our coffee, and also we just get so much natural light because it's such a big window as well. So huge fan of that. And then coming sort of out of the bedroom into almost like a little hallway, we have the washer and dryer right in here, which is the only thing about this layout that's a little bit weird, but I will roll with it because I love this apartment so much otherwise. And then across from the washer, we also have this little closet, which actually isn't all that little. It's little compared to the bigger one, but I feel like between this one and the larger closet over here, we're going to have plenty of space, which is awesome. And I'm just really excited to have this space to work with. And then last but not least, we have our little bathroom. So you can come in either from this door from the bedroom or back where we started the tour. That is like the entryway and kitchen and stuff. So I think it's really nice how the whole space is connected. Oh, hi, you can see me in the mirror. But I guess I'll talk to you guys here. So I think it's really nice that the whole space is connected and just has this like free flowing vibe from one room to the next. I think it's gonna work really well for Ken and I, and I'm so stoked. So last but not least, here is the bathroom. You've kind of already seen, but nice lighting, lots of mirrors happening here. This will be good for doing hair actually, because there's this mirror on the side, so that'll be nice. The sink is nice. We have more of this kind of lighter granite countertop. Decent amount of storage under the sink, which will be great. And then there's a little towel rack here, but I think actually we're gonna be covering that up and we're gonna do a like over the toilet shelving unit kind of thing. We have one in the old apartment and I think it's gonna work well with this. So we may actually end up taking that down or just kind of putting it over it, we'll see. And then I think, cause I have hooks for our towels in our current apartment, so we might put those back here and then the towels can be back there out of the way. The shower also looks really nice. I think it's fun. Let me back up a little bit here so you guys can see, but it has a nice curved shower rod, which I feel like is just gonna make it feel a little more spacious. Very trivial thing, but I don't know, I'm into it. And I also like that there's all these shelves in the shower, so you have a little bit more room for products. This is also a nice, decent sized tub, so gonna get bath bombs and all that good stuff going in here for sure. All right, guys, that is it for the tour of the empty space. I cannot believe that I'm standing in a new apartment right now. That's part of why I'm talking so fast. I'm like stumbling over my words because I'm just really excited to move into this space and get settled and start to decorate and really make this place home. So super excited to share this journey with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below because there are going to be tons of moving vlogs in the near future. And I absolutely love watching moving vlogs, so making them is gonna be a blast. I'm just looking forward to it so much. And since this is Ken and I's first official apartment together, this is such a big and exciting step, and I'm just really excited to share with you guys. So yeah, without rambling further, I'm gonna go ahead and head home and continue packing because I'm totally not done packing yet. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.